Today I'm going to show you some tricks concerning NinjaTrader, and I'm going to show you how to use the simulator. So now I am going to the main screen of NinjaTrader. As you can see, I disconnect from my normal data provider, which is AMP, and I reconnect to the simulated data feed. And as soon as I do this, you will see a new control that is displayed, and I can use this one to change the trend. If I press it up, the trend will go up, and if I press it down, the trend will go down. And this is used to check some of the strategies that you might want to use. Now we go back to our chart. You can see the trend simulator tool. Let's say that I want to go short and I don't want to wait for price to go down, or it will take either too long or it will go in the other direction, so it would take too much time. So after entering a trade, I can change the trend using this control tool and then push prices in my direction. In order to enter a trade, I will have to right-click on the screen and then select a short entry at the price that I want to enter. So you see now I am selecting the position where I want to go short. And this is what I'm using as a setting for entering. So I'm telling NinjaTrader that I would like to open a trade with 2 contracts. For the first, there are 2 targets now. The first one is for 1 contract, and I am expecting a stop loss of 8 ticks and a profit target of 4 ticks. For the second target, I'm using again 1 contract. The stop loss is the same, but I want a profit target of 12 ticks, which is 4 points. And here I'm using a custom stop strategy. And I'm telling Ninja that after price moves 5 ticks in my direction, I want to move the stop loss 3 points below or above my entry position. This is why it is a negative number. That way I will, in case price retraces and hits my stop loss, I will lose nothing, because the profit that I will make from the first contract will be used to cover the loss of the second contract. So now I right-click on the screen and I select a sell stop order, and we see now that price, the position of the entry position. Now I will change the trend, and I'm telling now NinjaTrader to push the trend down, because I want to accelerate and test if my strategy is working, and if the stop loss is moving, and if the first contract is closed after 4 ticks, etc. This is a very useful tool if you want to test some of the indicators or strategies or whatever. So you see now that the trend is open. We have 2 contracts. You can see the stop loss of that are combined, 8 ticks above, and now you can see that we have 2 take profit positions. One is at 4 ticks and the second one is at 8 ticks. So as soon as price will reach my first target, that one contract will be closed and the remaining will still be running with the initial 8 tick stop loss and 12 tick take profit. You see now that the first contract is closed with a profit because price moved only 4 ticks. This is why the stop loss did not move yet to the -3 position. It will take just another second before the stop loss is moved. As soon as price moves another tick, then you can see it now. Price moved 5 ticks from entry, and this made the stop loss to be moved at 3 ticks above my entry position. So it will take now another minute approximately, maybe a little bit more, for price to go down and hit my second take profit. As you can see, I'm using points, and I don't I don't show the dollars because I believe it is better to trade with points and not think about dollars traded, because then if I will increase my contract size, I will always be looking at the same thing and not get affected by the hundreds of dollars that will be won or lost from the new strategy. You see now we are at 175, 2 points, which is 8 ticks. Price continues in my direction, which is logical since I'm using the trend simulator, and it will take maybe, okay, you can see now that both trades are closed. And from the first trade I made, of course, in simulated trading, I made 4 ticks. And from the second one, it generated a profit of 12 ticks. So this is it. This is what I wanted to show you. 2 tricks. The first one is the simulated trading, and the second one is how you can use the ATM strategy to modify your entry positions, to move your stop loss, to trail your stop loss, etc. Thank you very much for listening.